Hello, I'm Gary, the CEO of China WELLCAMP Group SOEASY Modular House Company. As a leading manufacturer special for container house, prefab house camp, we are developed to provide one-stop solution, including professional design, production, and after-sales service. We have totally 4 production bays, over 100,000 square meters, to make sure every camp project can be delivered in time as well as ensuring quality. Let's have a look. We always value the demands and feedback from our users, constantly innovate and develop our products. We have successfully made many prefabricated camps for different construction sites, mining sites, schools, refugee homes with our different types of housing. Let's join us. It's so easy to make a camp for you.